Is your laptop getting too hot while you're working or gaming? Fans spinning fast, keyboard feeling warm, or performance suddenly slowing down? Yeah, high temperature is one of the biggest reasons laptops lose performance over time. The good news is you can lower your laptop temperature with a few simple adjustments. In this step-by-step guide, I'll show you exactly how to keep your laptop cool and running smoothly in 2026. Let's get started. First, check where you're placing your laptop. Soft surfaces like beds or cushions block airflow and trap heat underneath. Always use your laptop on a hard, flat surface so air can circulate properly. Dust buildup inside vents forces your cooling system to work harder. Use compressed air to gently clean vents and remove dust that traps heat. When your processor runs at high usage constantly, temperature rises quickly. Open Task Manager and close programs using high CPU that you don't need right now. Power settings directly affect heat levels. High performance mode pushes hardware harder than necessary. Switch to balanced or recommended mode for everyday use to reduce temperature. Too many background apps keep your laptop working even when idle. Disable unnecessary startup programs to lower system workload. Windows visual effects use extra system resources, which can increase heat, and especially on older laptops. Search for performance settings and select Adjust for best performance. Small physical changes can noticeably lower temperature. Use a cooling pad or slightly elevate the back of your laptop to improve airflow. Finally, monitor your laptop temperature to make sure improvements are working. Stable temperatures during normal tasks usually mean your cooling setup is working properly, and that's how you reduce laptop temperature step by step. These simple fixes help prevent overheating, improve performance, and extend your laptop's lifespan. If this guide helped you out, stick around for more easy tech tutorials. Yeah, I'll see you in the next video.